In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the TurboTax Online 2024 platform effectively. If you're new to this software or need a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. Start by heading over to TurboTax Online 2024. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the section that asks, "How did you do your taxes last year?" This is an important step as it helps TurboTax tailor your experience based on your previous tax filing method. If you filed your own taxes last year, make sure to click on "I filed my own taxes." This helps the software gather relevant information to make the filing process smoother for you. Next, it's time to move forward by clicking Continue. This button usually takes you to the next step in the process. Now, TurboTax will want to get to know you a little better. Click on Let's Get to Know You Better, and remember, providing accurate personal details will make sure your tax filing is as precise as possible. During this stage, you'll come across fields for personal information. There's an option to include your middle initial if you choose to. You can also click into the last name field to double check that all spelling matches your official documents, as consistency is crucial for tax filings. Moving along, you'll be prompted to highlight certain information that may apply to your specific situation. Keep an eye out for highlights as they guide you to optimize your tax benefits. When you see deductions and credits, click on it to uncover potential tax breaks. TurboTax will guide you through finding all these tax breaks with a feature called Time to Find All Those Tax Breaks. Embrace this opportunity to save money where you can. At various points, you might see an option labeled "I'll answer later." This allows you to delay answering certain questions if you're unsure or need to gather more information. Don't worry if you need to click this a few times. It's meant to keep the process moving efficiently. Once you reach the health insurance section, TurboTax checks if you need to enter any related info. If you have a Form 1095-A, enter it here. If you don't need this information, opt out by selecting Guide Me On if I need Form 1095-A. If applicable, choose No to indicate you don't need it, then press Continue to proceed. Now comes the fun part. When you see the message, "Now it's time for the fun part." Click ahead, knowing you're nearing the end. Follow each Continue button that appears until you complete your session. With that, you've effectively navigated TurboTax Online 2024. Whether you're filing for the first time or a seasoned taxpayer, following steps meticulously will ensure a smooth tax filing experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy filing!